What's up, everybody? This your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell, so whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this from right here, King Hussle, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle X1M, the Hussle family, King Hussle crazy reactions, and turn motivation into millions. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up. All right, got a lot of fake social media platforms. Got a lot of people making fake pages, scamming people, acting like me. So please get a FaceTime verification call or a video before you send your money to anybody to make sure you see this face. Make sure you're doing legit business and you're getting what you paid for, all right? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. Not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started. So today I'm gonna be giving y'all some more gems. Y'all know I've been focused on I've been talking more about the business loans, the business credit, because at the end of the day, like I've been telling y'all in the past videos, nobody's getting high limit loans with personal credit. Everybody y'all see being successful in the business world they're not getting personal loans. They're getting business loans, and that's what they're meant for, to handle business, point blank period. Now a lot of people are starting to understand the business concept, because I'm starting to talk about it more, but it's a lot of people who don't understand the business concept and why it's easier to obtain loans, credit cards, or lines of credit on your business side, vice versa your personal side. Now I make a lot of videos on bad credit personal loans, bad credit credit cards, or whatever like that, which is cool. But like I said, it's a utilization on your personal that's not on your business. You're meant to use the money on your business, and money on your personal is meant for like emergency funds, like money that you need just in case, right? So everybody wants these 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90,000, $100,000 loans, right? And I'm going to tell you right now, you're not going to get that on your personal side. You're not going to get that high limit loan on your personal side. Anywhere from $50,000 or higher, even $50,000 is a high amount to be trying to get a personal loan. Like, why do you need a $50,000 personal loan? Only $50,000 personal loans you're going to get is for cars and for mortgages, like home like mortgage loans and stuff like that on your personal side. If it's for business, you don't want to get that on your personal side, right? So today I'm going to be talking about a place that will give you up to $500,000 in business funding with no personal collateral, no effect to your personal credit score. All they're focused on is your business PayNet, Paydex, Dun & Bradstreet score, right? Your Equifax score, right? Because on business credit is mainly reported to PayNet and Equifax business, all right? So today we're going to be talking about BHG Financial, and they giving out some money. I've been dealing with them and talking to them and having people go to them for a long time now, since I've been dealing with business loans, business credit. And as long as you got certain, and you don't even need too much of paperwork neither. As long as you got certain documents that they need, you can get approval. Now, let me tell you guys this. Business credit is a finesse, like I've been telling you guys for the past umpteen videos. You got to learn this credit game if you really want to start finessing money from these banks, because the rich get rich off other people's money. The poor stay poor because they try to save money, and then they save the money, then they go buy something, they saving up for that, then they buy it, and they go back to square one, then they save some more money up to go buy this, and they back to square one. That's how the poor gets poor, point blank period. The rich gets richer off loans and other people's money. The poor stays poor because they don't understand credit. They save money instead of investing money, instead of building credit. So I'm here to let you guys know and tell you guys and start implanting in you guys' head that business credit will get you rich. Point blank period. Business credit will turn you into a millionaire faster than you trying to save $1 million. And that's why I'm more focused on the business side, vice versa, than the personal side. Because the personal side, the utilization rate is crazy. Business side, you can get all type of business loans, all type of major loans, just as long as you got a payback score 80 or better. So I'm gonna show you guys where to go to get this BHG loan up to $500,000. No PG needed, no personal effect to your personal credit, minimal documents. So without further ado, let's check them out. BHG. So today we're gonna be talking about BHG Money, powered by BHG Financials. All right, business loans for busy professionals, $20,000. How much money are you looking to borrow? All right, so they're giving up to $500,000 to businesses. All right, estimating your payment won't affect your credit score. BH Money offers business and consumer loan solutions. Below are features of our business loans. So how it works. Streamlined application. Get started online or apply over the phone with no cost or commitment. All right. Quick approval. Submit minimal documentation and you may be approved in as little as 24 hours. Fast funding. Review your terms and receive your funds via wire transfer in as few as 3 days. All right. So, industry lending business loans, futures. We provide the best in-class lending experience that will meet your needs and exceed your expectations. So, extended repayment terms up to 12 years. So you got up to 12 years to pay off if you need extra time to pay off the loan. Large loans amount up to $500,000. Affordable low monthly payments may be approved in as little as 24 hours. Funding as few as 3 days. Premium service 7 days a week. No personal collateral required. All right, so they don't need nothing from your personal credit. Look, and it won't affect your personal credit. So everything is focused on your business credit, what you got going on. All right, and these are some of the customers that they dealt with. So BHG loans, they giving up to $500,000. You don't gotta worry about none of that extra stuff. You don't gotta worry about you know what I'm saying? Reject the grid. We provide flexible solutions fast without personal collateral requirements. No personal collateral requirements because you shouldn't have to jump through hoops to get the funds you need, all right? You're more than a credit score. You know that numbers don't define you. Your story does. We take the time to work with you and understand your situation. Quick results for your busy schedule. So estimate your payment in few as 30 seconds. You may be approved in as little as 24 hours. Protect your credit. An opportunity to impact your goals, not your score. When you apply for a loan, you won't experience any negative impact to your personal credit. That's a good thing right there. The client first approach. Our team provides white glove service, listening to our goals and motivations and working around your busy schedule to take care of your needs. All right, so BHG, they're giving out no application fees, commitment, or impact to your personal credit to estimate your payment. They're giving out up to $500,000 in business and loans. Take your business to the next level. $500,000 won't impact your credit. They don't check it won't, like I said, extended repayment up to 12 years. Large loan amounts up to $500,000. Affordable loan monthly payments. Affordable approval in as little as 24 hours. Funding in as few as 3 days. Premium service 7 days a week. No personal collateral required. Won't affect your personal credit score. All right, so BHG Money. They not asking for no paperwork. Minimal paperwork. Like I said, submit minimal documentation, and you may be approved in as little as 24 hours. Get started online. Call, no cost of commitment. Review your terms and receive your funds via wire transfer in a few days. All right, so BHG Money, powered by BHG Financial. Go check them out. They got different products. They got personal loans, debt consolidation, home improvement loans, life event loans. But the business loans is where you're going to get that major funds and the major money at. So make sure y'all go check them out. Make sure you go look at the loan options that you can have and they provide to you. And whatever fits best for you, whatever you get approved for, congratulations. All right, so tap in with BHG Money, BHG Financial. Let's talk about it. So there you guys got it. BHG Money, powered by BHG Financial. They're giving up to $500,000 in business funding, business loans, all right? They're not looking for nothing on your personal side. No personal collateral needed, no impact to your personal credit, all right? So everything is based on your business, and it doesn't take a lot to get an 80 pay net score. on your business side. All right, so that's why I keep trying to stress to you guys, please start getting y'all business credit together. Please get y'all LLCs, your S corps, C corps, and nonprofit organizations together, because you will be able to get a lot more funding, a lot more money on your business side, vice versa on your personal side, and the effect will be different from your personal to your business. You pay off your maturity of the loan in your personal, it's going to be a negative effect. You pay off the maturity of your loan in your business, it's going to be a positive effect. They'll let you get more money. They want to see that you're able to pay back the obligations of that loan that you just took out, or that credit card, or that line of credit. All right, so this is the credit money making channel. We're going to get money off credit, investing, hustling, whatever we got to do to get some money the right way, we're going to do it. And the rich get rich off loans, the poor get poor because they don't understand credit, they don't understand loans, they don't understand credit cards, they don't understand things of that nature. So make sure y'all getting y'all credit together, make sure y'all starting these LLCs, make sure y'all adding AUs, trade lines, net 30s. Make sure y'all doing what y'all need to do, because these loans are very accessible. Anybody can get them, as long as their business is together, as long as their paper trail is together, as long as they got the documents that they need. And that's what I make these videos for, so you can understand the documents that you need, how to fill them out, how to submit them, and get approved for the money that you need and want so bad. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in to BHG Money, powered by BHG Financial. We're going to keep getting into more of these business loans, more of this business credit, personal credit, how to elevate, how to really, you know what I'm saying, make money off business, how to invest the right way, how to make passive income, how to be successful. So make sure y'all tapping in. Make sure y'all follow me on all my YouTube channels. Subscribe and hit the all notification bell. Shout out to all my Real King Hussle subscribers, new fans, old subscribers, old fans. Because without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me keep going. Y'all motivate me keep dropping sauce. And y'all motivate me keep y'all entertained. All right, so shout out to y'all. Make sure y'all tapping in, getting y'all credit lessons. Basic credit repair lessons is $600. I'm going to show you how to clean your credit. I'm going to show you how to build your credit, add trade lines, all the trade lines that you need. I'm going to show you how to structure and all that. If you want me to do it for you, it's going to be $1,500 and up, all right? So credit lessons start at $1,600. If you want me to do it for you, it's going to start at $1,500. Or $600, yeah, and you want me to do it for you, it's going to start at $1,500. Also, make sure y'all getting y'all FaceTime one-on-one unlimited gems, $1,200. Unlimited gems is unlimited gems. Y'all already know what comes with the CPNs, credit, clean and repair, how to invest, how to make passive income, how to make thousands of dollars a day off social media, DW gems, all type of stuff like that, documents. So make sure y'all tapping in on that. Also, make sure y'all come to get y'all mentorship, $2,500. You're going to get everything at the limited gems. We're going to make YouTube channels together, make passive income together, all that good stuff like that. The channel make $10,000, you get $5,000, I get $5,000. Channel make $25,000. I get $12,500, you get $12,500. Easy as that. We're going to split it right down the middle, just as long as you putting in the same work that I put in to grow and build the channel. Also, make sure y'all come book y'all seat right now on the crypto tour, in-person unlimited gems. $3,500 in-state, $4,500 out-of-state. All right? $500 deposit. Once you pay your $500 deposit, we're going to pick the date that we're going to do the lesson. Once the date comes, we're going to meet, and we're going to pay the rest of the fee. All right? So $35, you come and stay to me. $45, I got to come out of state to you. All right. Also, I will be in Miami, Florida, South Beach, Memorial Day weekend. All right. 10 slots available. So make sure y'all book your seat right now. $3,500, $500 deposit, lock your seat down. $3,000 in person. We meet in Miami, Florida. We're going to have a good time. We're going to make some money. We're going to get the gems. You might even get a chance to be in a video, a skit, a blog, or something. We working, so make sure y'all tapping in. Make sure y'all book y'all seat right now for the Miami Invasion in Miami South Beach Memorial Day weekend, the 26th through the 28th. $3,500, $500 deposit, $3,000 in person. 10 slots available. Let's get to work. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in, booking y'all seats on that. Still look for people for the production company, actors, rappers, models, entertainers, cameraman, producers, you name it, everything. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in. Music reviews is $200. So you want me to check out your music, you want to sign, $200 music review. Looking for models, beautiful ladies out there with a good head on their shoulders, good attitudes, actually know how to listen. You know, can't be corrected, you can't be directed. I don't have time for bad attitudes. I don't have time for women thinking they better than what they are. No one's better than anybody, but clearly I know a little bit about a lot, and I clearly know how to make a lot of things happen that you clearly haven't made happen yet. So make it make sense. Teamwork make the dream work. Let's make this money together. cameraman, if you're in Houston, Texas, you're a real videographer. That means you shoot the video and you go back and you edit the video. Let's get some money together. Views, content equals views. Views equal money. Easy as that. All right. So come join the team. Come join the platform. Come join the brand. Let's build your brand. Let's build our brand together and just elevate and make money together. All right. So make sure y'all tapping in. Make sure y'all come to get y'all gems. Make sure y'all just tapping in, man. It's your boy King Hussle. We back to it, dropping these videos, and I'll see y'all at the next video. Peace.